Google has just rolled out Gemini for Chrome in the UK, and the integration doesn't sit well with everybody. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Gemini isn't the most popular AI assistant out there, but you will now start seeing an Ask Gemini button with a sparkle icon soon if you're in the United Kingdom and use Google's browser. Gemini's Chrome integration used to be exclusively available to AI Pro or AI Ultra subscribers, but Google made it more widely available in the US on desktop in late 2025. The company then rolled out the feature to Latin America and the Middle East, and then to Canada, India, and New Zealand, until it made its way to over 50 countries around the world. Upon using the feature for the first time, Google will let you know that Gemini will be able to access your open tabs to reply to your prompts. The notice says, tabs are shared for more relevant answers. Google uses the content and URL of shared tabs. Your current tab is shared in new chats. It ends the notice by letting you know that you can change the setting anytime. Gemini and Chrome can summarize lengthy content open in your browser and compare information across multiple open tabs. It also features deep integration with Gmail, Maps, Calendar, YouTube, and other Google apps. That means you can ask it to check locations in Maps or add events to your calendar, as well as draft emails for you without having to leave your browser. Plus, it comes with built-in Nano Banana, giving you access to Google's in-house image generator from your sidebar. However, if you're not a fan, you can simply right-click on the Ask Gemini button at the top right corner of Chrome and select Unpin to remove it from your browser. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.